So we're going to move on to our next topic of segments. Segments are audiences or groups of people that you group together and you can interact with. Like you can send them text messages, emails, you can change your message, send them a specific template. So segments are really important and it helps you create smaller audiences, which give you better engagement. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk through that audience segmentation creation process. So I'm here in the segments part of the application. So I'm going to hit create segment. And there's a couple of different ways I can do this. We can do it through what we call the what you see, what you get editor WYSIWYG, or I can hit JSON view if you're a little bit more technical and you know how to develop JSON. It could be a little bit easier, but we're just going to use the builder. I'm going to call this CEOS customers, right? And so I have all of these different things that I can choose from. So I'm actually going to say email equals. I'm going to type in the second email address of the contact that we added. You can have more than one condition and you can use an operator of all, and or. So just to keep it simple, we're going to say, hey, we just want to make sure that this one email address creates a new segment or is part of a new segment, and that segment's called cost customers. Here are some other quick examples. So if you don't know how to get started with segments, we do provide you a couple quick examples of some high value ones that you can see engagement with. So once I make sure this is correct, I'm going to hit create segment. It's going to go ahead and create that segment, and it's going to take me back to the segment page. If you notice, it's already added CEOS to that segment as a customer. So I didn't have to do anything. The system automatically looked and said, oh, who are all the contacts that match our segmentation rules, and put them in the segment. You can also update this manually. So if it feels like it's wrong, or you're like, this doesn't look right, or you're just a little bit more of a person that likes to do things on a manual basis, you can hit this refresh button and it will refresh the segment. There's another way you can actually add a contact to a segment, and that's actually if you go to the contacts, you view the contact or edit it, and hit the edit button as well. Oops, sorry, I lied to you. If you view the contact, you hit add the segment here. I can add this contact to the segment here as well. So best way to do it is through the segmentation because it's dynamic, meaning it looks in the system for you. You don't have to manually do it, but if you wanted to, you can go and add a contact to a segment manually. If you want to view the contacts in the segment, you just hit view contacts. It's going to filter down your contact list just to those contacts within that particular segment.